Anji, good morning, everyone. Today, 27th of August, 2021, Friday morning, going to start next explanation for the chapter how state government works. Like in the yesterday class, I have discussed with you that how the debates and discussions in the state legislative assemblies are going on and how opposition party is trying to put blame on the ruling party and ruling party trying to defend that by saying the activities and the programs, policies, whatever they had started. Our chapter is contending and taking the example of the health issue in the Patlapuram and how that the leaders are going to make the changes and how the ruling party is framing the policies and doing the change. Up to the debate part we have completed. After that, when the minister was going to make the changes in the policies, he had asked the press conference. A word press conference is being written over here. After the debate, you just check on your book. Stop writing whatever you are writing and start approaching toward your chapter. Working of the government on page number 36. I'm going to begin from that. How working of the government is going on. Like working of the government, because agar hum log dekhe to government is not reaching to the homes of the affected families. They are giving their decisions, they are sending their messages through newspaper, TV and media. Okay, so they conducted the press conference. अभी देखो आज से 2 दिन पहले पंजाब सरकार ने minimum support price for the sugarcane as the strike was being started by the farmers in Jalandhar on GT Road. Then they had given the minimum support price 360 rupees per quintal to the sugarcane. ये हम सबको पता है. क्या अमरिंदर सरकार के अमरिंदर सिंह जो थे चीफ मिनिस्टर वो जलंधर पे यहाँ पर आए थे? नहीं. Through whom the message is being conveyed, that is press conference. Press conference is the source through which the political leaders or the officials, whatever they want to make the policies or decisions as per the requirement and aspirations of the demand of common people. So press conference is organized by the, you can say, any of the individual. Press conference कोई भी organize कर सकता है whoso want to convey any kind of message related to the issue. Like इस chapter में example दी है कि minister had organized the press conference for giving the relaxation or giving the new policy updation for the health issue as Patlapuram was having health issue. और हम साथ साथ कर रहे हैं कि हमारे जो ये नया हमारा जो नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिकली हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि जैसे एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में किस तरह से शुगर केन के लिए सपोर्ट प्राइस चाहिए था एंड पीपल वर एजुकेटिंग एंड डिमांडिंग फॉर देयर राइट्स एंड Amrinder Singh's government has done the, you can say, press conference. So press conference in which number of the people from the different newspaper media sit in a one group and the responsible government is going to share the views in front of them. Then they will publicize that views among the common people through media or through channels. Is it okay? Next आ जाता है during the chief minister and other ministers, they try to visit it at different places where the problem is being there. जैसा कि इस chapter के accordingly है, health issues were there and chief minister and other health ministers, they reach at that of the places and provide the basic facility like clean water, health issues, sanitation facilities, garbage cleaning facilities, matlab that was being provided to remove the problem of Patlapuram. Okay, so and they had given the compensation to the family who lost their lives. हमने देखा है कि सरकारें अनाउंस करती है अगर किसी एरिया में प्रॉब्लम हो या कहीं डेथ हो जाए, कैजुअलिटी हो जाए, कुछ भी कोई नेचुरल कॉज के कारण या कोई सोशल कॉज के कारण, तो गवर्नमेंट जो है उनको कुछ ना कुछ कंपनसेशन देती है. We know this thing. Government is giving the compensation to them that is, we can say government is providing to that family, and chief minister is responsible for giving that things. Why they want to give? Because they want to give the, you can say, and take the responsibility of the common people, and for the next election they can be chosen. Okay, so to take care of the common people of that area. So out of all these we come to know that different departments are working. अब एक डिपार्टमेंट काम नहीं करता है, there is another department, that is PWD, Public Works Department, जो भी पानी के लिए समस्याओं को देखता है, that is being maintained by Public Works Department. Just wait. हाँ जी बेटा जी, I was asking you about what kind of different departments are there. Just health department, finance department, PWD department, Public Works Department. PWD means Public Works Department. They are managing to provide clean water facility at every house. Number 2, to provide sanitation facility, the removal of garbage and cleaning of roads. All these things are being managed by the Public Works Department. So here the problem, according to the chapter, Patlipuram problem was the water problem. So which department will be going to save or solve that issues? That is Public Works Department. And the ministries, separate ministries, different portfolios are there under the MLAs. So that minister will be responsible to assure and to provide the basic guidelines, policy formation, and new laws for maintaining the maintaining the services to be assessed by the common people at every corner in their constituency or in the whole state. Is it okay? यहाँ तक clear है बेटा जी? कोई doubt? Is it okay बेटा जी? Next आ जाता है, the government can also decide to make the new laws for the states regarding the sanitation and health facility. If the problem is like severe problem, then government can take the initiative and make the new laws, and by providing, you can say, adequate toilets, health workers are being appointed in the different areas, garbage cleaning, you can say trucks and loading trucks can be introduced more to clean that area, and you can say sprays can be done, spray for cleaning the outside area so that insecticides and other things could not be spread and could not lead to diseases in that area. So all these tasks are being done by the local government under the state government control, and the laws for the, or we can say here we have three type of level of government. One is at central level, another is at state level, another is at local level. So all the problem related to the local levels are being under the control of local government, like in the urban area municipal corporation, or in the rural area Jilla Parishad. So they are providing with the under the work of Public Works Department, अंदर उसके अंडर आती हैं, and they monitor. जैसे कि हेल्थ इश्यूज में हमारे हर गांव में आशा वर्कर्स होती हैं, और अगर आशा वर्कर्स प्रॉपर्ली काम ना करें तो कौन उनकी रिपोर्ट्स बनाकर आगे ऊपर भेजता है? पंचायत का पंच, सरपंच, वही भेजता है. So same the task means every level there is a check whether the work is being properly done or not. Is it okay? Okay. So in our democracy, people who elect their representative as a member of legislative assembly, they people are responsible to take out the work from the appointed officers, appointed persons, and that appointed persons are answerable to provide all the facilities, and wherever they feel negligence, wherever they feel the work is not up to the mark, they can make the changes by making and taking the consensus from the government. And common people have the right to agitate and to raise their voice against it. Is it okay? Next हमारा topic आता है a wallpaper project. This is a new way to interact the common people to participate actively in any of the common view opinion. Wallpaper activity क्या है? ये हम लोग अपनी क्लास में भी कर सकते हैं। वॉलपेपर एक्टिविटी इज बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, आपने कहीं पर भी इसको मैं 3 वे में करवाने लगी हूँ। वन इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक, one is according to the class, one is exactly working in the outside practices. First is, suppose मैं अपनी क्लास के बारे में पहले बता रही हूँ। Suppose आपका जो पीरियड है वो है गेम्स का। Now the children, they want to play different games. Teacher comes and asks by placing a chartboard over here to give your opinion in the chit, write on a slip and paste it over here so that no person will be you can say recognize what kind of desire and wish they want to go with, either go for a badminton or chess or ludo or you can say carom board, whatever the games, indoor or outdoor, according to the consensus when the majority will be there, that game will be played. But उसमें पता नहीं चला कि किस बच्चे ने कौन सा अपना व्यू दिया है। One is this, जो तुम्हारी क्लास में तुम्हारे साथ तुम लोग एप्लीकेबल कर सकते हो, दिस इज द वॉलपेपर प्रोजेक्ट। सेकेंड इज, मैं आपको एग्जांपल देती हूँ, आप लोग कभी भी कोई ऐसी फेमस जगह पर या कोई ऐसी प्लेस पर, पब्लिक प्लेस पर गए हो जहां पर आपको एक होर्डिंग लगा हुआ नजर आ रहा हो, उसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन लिखा हो एंड योर ओपिनियन आर बीइंग आस्क्ड, वहां पर मार्कर्स पड़े और यू कैन राइट। Have you ever visited Jalandhar Model Town? वहां पर चौक में कहीं भी नहीं, संडे इवनिंग को या सैटरडे इवनिंग को होर्डिंग्स लगे होते हैं फॉर द डिमांड ऑफ और रेजिंग ऑफ एनी ऑफ द इशू और कॉमन पीपल्स ओपिनियन आर बीइंग डिमांडेड एंड कॉमन पीपल कैन गो एंड राइट देयर व्यूज एंड गिव देयर इनिशियल्स एंड कम बैक। वहां पर तो किसी को भी नहीं पता लगेगा कौन क्या लिख के गया है। So this is another example and it is actually practically applicable, apply होती है वहां पर सैटरडे संडे को, अगर कोई इशू हो, कोई रेज किया हो तो दे राइट एज अ सोसाइटी और वहां से वो कंसेंसस निकालते हैं कि एक्चुअली कॉमन पीपल व्हाट दे वांट। और हम लोग सोशल मीडिया पे भी आजकल देखते हैं कि क्वेश्चन पूछा होता है वेदर यस और नो, ठीक है ना, वो क्या है, वो हमारे ओपिनियंस पूछते हैं। सेम द वे यहाँ पर जो हमारा अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्स्ट है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेक्स्ट है, अगर देखा जाए तो वॉलपेपर इज एन इंटरेस्टिंग एक्टिविटी थ्रू व्हिच रिसर्चेस कैन बी डन। नाउ व्हाई वॉलपेपर एक्टिविटीज आर बीइंग गोइंग ऑन टू कंडक्ट द रिसर्च। अब देखो मेरी क्लास में क्या फेवरेबल कोर्स होगा मुझे नहीं पता, बट through that wallpaper activity I come to know that the interest of this class will be in the indoor game or outdoor game, isn't it? So on in the model town, when the opinion will be asked, then we will come to know whether the people want to accept that change or want to remain within the conservative mode. ठीक है, we come to know. So wallpaper activity is actually the practices to do the research. ये किस लिए होती है? रिसर्च के लिए, कि लोगों का ओपिनियन कैसा चल रहा है, बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री। To know the opinion of the common people, a platform like wallpaper activity is being conducted. Here you can say different wallpaper activities are conducted by the schools of KV, where they were asking for the important more than the number of the whatever the task is being assigned to them, and accordingly the feedback is taken from the class teacher. And the wallpaper about 2006 dengue epidemic was being prepared by the children of 6th class in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ghaziabad. So these are the example which is showing how the researches can be done in the proper. Is it okay up to this? कोई डाउट है बेटा जी? जानवी, अदिति, प्रभजीत, any doubt? Okay, so accordingly we have completed our chapter. Today I will be going to discuss share all the important terms and source, because this chapter is source based chapter. No question answers will be there, only the terms you can say I had written in the assignment. I will send it to you along with one paragraph and uske question answers. Only questions I had given, not the answers. You will find your answers by your own way, because lots of explanation has been given. So only small answers that should be in your own creativity and in your own wording. I do not want to feed you for that thing. Is it okay? So in this chapter, we will be having source-based question. Please make it sure that you will be able to do. And next chapter we have, that is how boys and girls growing. Next chapter we have, that is growing up of boys and girls. Chapter number 4, page number 44, growing up as boys and girls. This is also a very different chapter. जैसे women change the world हमने किया था, उसी तरह से ये chapter जो है, this is extensive chapter. We are not supposed to do question answers from this chapter. Fine, extensive है, इसमें भी आपको कुछ भी आ सकता है, but we will tell you what and how to do. Is it okay? कोई doubt बेटा जी? है कोई doubt? Should I start? Should I start, beta ji? Growing up as boys and girls. Today I will start slowly. I will not give the whole explanation like the previous chapter. Like being a boy and a girl is an important part of one's identity. And this is the biological difference. This is the biological difference. And we people are creating as a gender discrimination. बात समझ आई? Boy, being a boy and being a girl, it is important for our identity. हमारी identity के लिए जरूरी है. And this is only a biological difference. ये biological differences हैं, but we people created it as a gender discrimination. Are you getting my point? Gender discrimination. Are you getting anyone? If you get my this line meaning, please explain. किसी को भी. Being a boy and a girl, it means biological difference. But this is important aspect of the society to exist. And this is important for the balance in the, you can say, humanity. It is required to maintain the balance in the humanity or in the, you can say, universe. But gender distinction is creating a discrimination. Are you getting? Yes, but social discrimination के through लेते हैं, that as I had already explained, women change the world में, that boys are considered to be strong, masculine and hard, and girls are considered to be weak, patient and emotional sensitive. These are the prejudice, or we can say stereotype thinking, which make gender distinction. हमारी सोसाइटी में जेंडर डिस्टिंक्शन जो है वो दैट इज ड्यू टू दीज रीजंस, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी परसेप्शन इज देयर इन आवर माइंड. सो व्हाट अ बॉय और गर्ल कैन डू और नॉट. बॉय कैन प्ले और जंप एनीवेयर, गर्ल्स कैन डू ऑल द किचन टास्क. ये हमारे माइंड में ऑलरेडी बनी हुई है. एंड दीज सोशल प्रैक्टिसेस, दीज सोशल, you can say, thinking, already stereotype thinking, is creating a distinction among the boys and girls. Biological difference leads to gender discrimination. Biological difference leads to gender discrimination because of the stereotype thinking. Point is clear? Is it clear? Meaning is exactly clear? So, should we have to maintain this kind of discrimination? No. For ensuring that we have given the equal access of education, equal access to have all the economic opportunities, all persons can do all the tasks. हम लोगों ने दिया हुआ equal work for equal pay, equal pay for equal, sorry, equal pay for equal work. If there is any kind of discrimination, a girl is doing this task, then she will not be able to get that much of salary or that much of wages. ये अब नहीं हो सकता, because protection is being given and the mindset of stereotype thinking has to be break down. So is up to this meaning is clear to everyone? Ansh, Pushpit, and to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to read this, like what boys or girls can do. We often grow up in thinking that these things are exactly same everywhere. But do all societies look at boys or girls in the same way? नहीं. हमारी सोसाइटी क्या बॉयज और गर्ल्स को सेम वे में देखती हैं? नहीं, कहीं ना कहीं डिफरेंसेस आते हैं. सो वी ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट ऑल द डिफरेंसेस व्हिच इज बीइंग स्टिल कंटिन्यू इन आवर सोसाइटी, and we will also look the different roles assigned to the boys and different role assigned to the girls. इसके लिए तो मैं बहुत अच्छी एग्जांपल हमारी क्लास की ही दे सकती हूँ. हमारी क्लास में चार्ट डिस्प्ले की एक्टिविटी के लिए सारे बॉयज को लगाया गया, ना कि गर्ल्स को. और अगर मैं कहूं कि ये बेटा जी डेस्क ड्रैग करके यहाँ रख दीजिए, तो आई विल माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो प्रेफर टू से टू द बॉय, नॉट टू द गर्ल. कैन यू एवर थिंक दिस थिंग? आप इस चीज को समझ रहे हैं, नहीं समझ रहे हैं? क्यों? बिकॉज और मेरा माइंडसेट ये है कि गिव प्रोटेक्शन टू द गर्ल्स एंड टेक द वर्क फ्रॉम द बॉयज. मेरा माइंडसेट ये है. बट अगर हम लोग सोसाइटी में कहीं और चले जाएंगे तो दे विल बी हैविंग दैट बॉयज आर स्ट्रॉन्ग and girls are weak, isn't it? So already when the task, और अगर मैं घर पे एग्जांपल दूं, आपके घर पे एग्जांपल दूं, सपोज एक्टिवा या स्कूटर अंदर करना हो घर के अंदर, तो आपके मम्मा बॉय को कहेंगे या गर्ल को कहेंगे? ठीक है. कोई हैवी लोड या कोई हैवी चीज उठा के एक जगह से दूसरी जगह रखनी हो, तो आपके मम्मा आपके सिस्टर को कहेंगे या आपको कहेंगे? बॉयज को कहेंगे. These are already existing in our society, that some tasks are already meant in the mindset of the society. हमारे mind में already बने हुए, including me. I am also included in that part of society. ठीक है ना. मैंने तुम्हें बताया कि चार्ट पेपर्स जो हमारी क्लास में सारे लगाए गए, वो किसने लगाए? मैंने वॉइस को बोला. इफ वन गर्ल was standing over there, मैं उसको कहती थी बेटा आप नीचे मत गिर जाना, आप नीचे आ जाओ. बोला मैंने आपको? बोला था ना. क्यों बोला था? बिकॉज दिस थिंग इज माइंड में कहीं ना कहीं ये आ जाता है कि यू आर सेंसिबल, यू आर पोलाइट, कहीं चोट ना लग जाए. ये हमारी सोसाइटी है. और बॉयज दे कैन मैनेज, वो अपने आप को संभाल लें. सो already the things are different roles are being given or assigned to boys and girls. ठीक है. So in the future roles, men can play a different role and women can play a different role. We will learn about how the societies value men and women. यहाँ पर तो मैंने छोटी छोटी एग्जाम्पल्स दी which are you can say existing in our society, in our home. बट ये जो है, ये तो हम लोग एक प्रोटेक्शन के लिए करते हैं, गर्ल्स की प्रोटेक्शन और बॉयज को ग्रूमिंग के लिए, so that they should also get the value of work. They should do the work. But actually क्या है? Somewhere the discrimination is being done. Provide food, good nutrient food to the boys, not to the girls. Provide good quality of education to the boys, not to the girls. Allow boys to move out for the work and not allow girls to move out for the work. These kind of sincere discrimination, sincere, you can say serious discrimination, we can think that they are dividing the society into the gender discrimination. Is it okay up to this? Is it okay, Sasha? बाकी जो है वो मैं कल आपको स्टार्ट कराऊंगी. प्लीज रीड द चैप्टर केयरफुली and further explanation I will give it in the next class, by tomorrow's class. Fine. Thank you, beta.